Pero, alam mo Karen, bakit hindi mo kami ma-interview? Akala ko ba 'di ba dapat objective kayo, fair? Bakit hindi mo ako interviewin? Alam mo Karen, nakita mo ako in person. Bakit hindi mo sinabi sa mukha ko na, "Uy, Sas, nagpapakalat ka ng ganito." Ba't di mo sinabi sa right, on the face, darling, hindi mo kaya. Nagkita tayo. Oh, hindi mo sabihin sa akin yan, harap-harapan. Nandun ka, nandun ako. Oh. Tapos ngayon, gaganyan-ganyan ka. Alam mo, Karen, you cannot hide behind your thick makeup and full fake eyelashes. Kung ano talagang ginagawa mo. At alam naman natin lahat na yung network mo ay may partnership with Martin Romualdez. Eh, hindi mo nga, eh bakit, ba- kaya kayo nagkakaganyan because you can no longer control the narrative. As simple as that. You cannot control the narrative. You've been controlling the narrative in the Philippine discourse for a very, very, very long time. And right now, the rise of social media made it possible for ordinary people, for kamoisture, kabarangay, for kader to us and everyone to actually say their piece and actually have an audience. Before, pipili lang kayo ng mga tao pwedeng magkaroon ng audience. Right now, that power has been snatched away from your hands and anyone who loses power actually will do exactly what you're doing. You are a declining power and every declining power will actually prevent their decline. But the problem is you're actually hastening it because you forgot that we actually have already a community. You don't have a community, darling. Karen, no one in their life will really find you their community. You are a person paid by ABS-CBN in order to actually put forward whatever your editor would like you to say. There's no freedom of speech there, darling. You are under editorial control, and the editor is under the control of the owner of your network, which is an oligarch.